I have no idea how I'm doing. Do we help him? Hibachi. That was, jeez.
Head, toes, feet.
What's up? It's Susie, and today we are in the Hay Grill Hay warehouse, and we're going to be cooking lunch for the warehouse crew because we've had a very long few days of shipping out those awesome Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales from Grilly Wonka. So thank you so much if you got something. But we decided, you know, a little tri-tip was just the ticket. And because we don't have a smoker at the warehouse, we had to figure out something else. I just got the Arden Indoor Smoker. I've never cooked on it before, but we're gonna throw some tri-tips in there today and whip up some of that for a little bit of lunch. Let's do it. Smoker's preheating. We're just gonna prep some tri-tip and potatoes. Super simple. We're gonna hit the tri-tip with my beef rub. We're gonna hit the potatoes with a little bit of butter and my chicken seasoning. And of course, we're doing everything on paper plates because I had to steal all of my supplies from the break room. I'm actually super excited to try out this smoker. Like I said, we've never cooked on it before, but this is mine. We bought this. I actually funded the Indiegogo campaign when they first launched because one of the most common questions I get is, can you smoke inside? I would love to see if this is a really viable option for people who are apartment dwellers or don't have the ability to go outside in the winter when it's snowy and cold. I just think there are so many use cases for an indoor smoker, so I have to see if it lives up to all of the hype that I saw online. I'm super stoked to try it out. This model isn't currently available for purchase. It went out to all of the crowdfunders first, so if you got one, let me know in the comments because I want to know who people are cooking on it and if they like it. If you would consider something like this, also let me know. I think the price tag on this is coming in around $1,000, which I think is kind of high, but for what it is, to have like a smoker on your countertop, the concept is so cool. I mean, I know I snagged one, so I want to know if you think that's like crazy high or if you think that's worth it for what it offers. Not super wide, but very deep. 2 tri-tips and a bundle of potatoes fit just fine. All right, this is gonna take probably about an hour. I do have the internal temperature probe in here so we can track the cook. I don't wanna overcook the tri-tips, but now we wait. Mark it set. Go ahead, Todd. Yeah, there we go, there we go. Yeah, there it is. That's Do we help him? Hibachi. He is not hitting any folks. Todd, go wide. Go wide to your right and to your left. Yeah, there you go. Oh, that was a good one. Oh! Stop!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
That was, jeez. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, you can't hold the bowl. Oh, okay, hand on bowl. No hand on bows. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he was making plans. It didn't work anyway. I don't know. All right, he's at 30 seconds. Am I being timed?
Yeah.
How many do I have to get it? Everybody has to do this, right?
Well, you're getting it.
But I can't touch it, right? I have no idea how I'm doing. Oh, I can't use my other hand. I can't. I thought I would be better at this. Pick my nose.
Nose, toes, nose, toes, knees, toes, nose. Knee broke.
Oh, come on!
This, ears, toes, knees, back, knees, ears, eyes, head, toes, beef rub.
It's like he was trying to remember the names of body parts. Eyes. We're about 45 minutes into our hour cook. We've been playing some really fun games. Our internal temperature on our tri-tip is about 100 degrees, which I feel great about. And I think we'll be right where we need to be in an hour. You can smell it cooking. It smells a little bit smoky, but it's not nearly as strong as you would see from like an outdoor smoker, but look at this. I mean, it's definitely getting smoke on there. Fun. All right, we played around for the last hour. The Arden actually shut itself into its warming mode after an hour. Our tri-tip on here with the internal thermometer is reading 150, but I just gave it a check with my thermometer. It's actually about 130. So there is a little bit of a discrepancy between the internal thermometer and a remote probe. So whatever smoker you're using, always double check your temperatures. Get a second opinion, it's important. Yeah, 131. Super happy with these guys. I'm gonna pull them off, let them rest for just a couple of minutes, and then we'll slice them up and eat some lunch. All right, meat is rested. On first blush, this does not have the color that I would super expect from a very smoky, traditionally smoked brisket, but it smells smoky, and I think it's gonna taste smoky. So I think if I were to be doing this at home, I'd finish this with like a really hard sear in a cast iron skillet, which is what I typically do when I smoke my tri-tips. So not a huge deterrent for me, but I would definitely finish with a sear. But the inside looks great. Super beautiful edge to edge pink, which I would expect from like a low cook at 275. This is a gorgeous medium rare. What do you think? You boys hungry? Yeah. We ready for steak bites? All right, I'm gonna slice this up and then we get to eat. Okay guys, come grab a bite. Now these guys have worked really, really hard. We had a lot of shipments. Our warehouse crew, they're not all here because not all of them want to be on camera, and that's okay. But we are gonna make sure everybody gets some yummy food.
I don't work.
And you guys get to try some of this tri-tip. Grab one of these pieces up here. Let me know what you think.
That's a perfect cook.
Yeah. Oh, it looks beautiful, very juicy.
It's smoky. Wow.
I still want a sear on the outside.
It's got more smoke flavor than I anticipated, though. It tastes good.
I have a thought. It almost tastes like a pellet smoker that's been amplified with like a smoke tube. Like it has kind of like that smoldering pellet burn on it. But that's really yummy. And beef rub and tri-tip, you can't go wrong. All right, let me know what you guys think about the indoor smoker. What are some other fun things that we should do to treat this warehouse crew? Because they really are awesome and they ship out all of your packages with much, much love.
Still hot.
It is a little toasty. Okay, we'll see you guys next time.